that amazing. So do you think those are real feathers from old birds, or?
No, I don't think so.
No, couldn't be. The float's inspired by the Marley song, Bob Marley.
I know what they are. It looks like they're painted pine.
Oh, right. Maybe they're painted pine.
Maybe they are.
Okay, so in addition to roses, orchids, and gladiolas, the float utilizes eucalyptus bark that was gathered from the South Pasadena community. Nice, huh? You think that eucalyptus bark is the part of the guitar?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That is beautiful.
That is beautiful.